Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Kat. I hope you enjoy my videos. Today I recorded a rose gold eyeshadow look and a metallic lip. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I'm just blending it out evenly on my eyelids. For the first eyeshadow, I'm using Tempera, and I'm getting a fluffy brush, and I'm blending that all out throughout my eyelid just to get an even coverage and even color. For my crease, I'm going in with the eyeshadow Golden Ochre. And then now I'm taking the eyeshadow Buon Fresco and I'm applying that on my crease, going wind wiper motions back and forth. Now to deepen the color up a little bit more, I'm going in with Antique Bronze and I'm just putting that below where I put Buon Fresco, and I'm slowly just blending it back and forth, really slow and smooth. I'm not trying to get an opaque color, I'm trying to make a blown out look, so just, take your time with it. Right here, I'm using L'Oreal pigments in Amber Rush, but I noticed that it wasn't coming out exactly how I wanted it to, and it was kind of barely showing up. I'm not sure why, but I digged into my Huda Beauty palette, and I picked up the shade Rose Gold, and I first applied it with a brush, but I realized it wasn't doing much, so then I used my fingers to blend it out, and ended up working out. I ended up going back into the L'Oreal pigments, but the difference is this time I ended up putting up the brush with a little bit of water, and it ended up applying it really nicely. Right here I zoomed in because I just wanted to show you guys the pigment of it, because I noticed from far away you couldn't really see it, but here I'm just getting the same color Antique Bronze and I'm just blending it out just to smooth out the edges. And then by this time I'm just blending and going back and forth and repeating the same steps, and just like that, voila, you're done with the eyes. For underneath my eyes, I'm repeating the same steps. I'm using the shade Buon Fresco first and smudging that out, and then I'm gonna go in with Antique Bronze and I'm gonna do the same steps.